Hello, good morning. How are you? Children, welcome once again to your online EVS class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Hope all of you have read the lesson, isn't it? We were discussing an activity lesson. Birds, their bodies and their nesting habits. In our previous class, we have discussed about the body structure, body features of birds. Today, we will be discussing about reproduction in birds and their nesting habits. Are you ready? Then let's start. All birds reproduce by laying eggs. When they have to lay eggs, they build homes called nests. Usually, the female bird, the mother, sits on the eggs to keep them warm. Sometimes the male bird, the father, also sits on them. After a few days, the eggs break open and baby birds, that means chicks, come out. This is called hatching. Most chicks do not have feathers. Some chicks have feathers and can run around. The parents protect and feed the chicks until they can look after themselves and learn to fly. After the young birds fly away, the parents also leave the nest. Most birds build a new nest every time they have to lay eggs. Let's discuss about different types of nests. Different birds build different kinds of nests. Most birds use twigs, leaves, cotton or feathers to make their nest. Some birds use pebbles and mud. A weaver bird makes a ball-like nest that hangs from a tree. The nest has an opening at the bottom through which the bird enters and leaves. A tailor bird stitches leaves together to make a nest. An eagle builds its nest high on trees or cliffs with sticks and twigs. A stork built its nest on trees with sticks. A woodpecker makes a hole in a tree trunk and uses it as its nest. A swan builds its nest on the ground near water bodies using reeds and grass. Some kinds of swallows build nests on cliffs and walls with mud. Some kinds of penguins build nests with stones. The emperor penguin holds its egg on its feet and warms it with its body. Next is migration. What is meant by migration? Birds are great travelers. Many birds that live in cold places fly thousands of kilometers to warmer places during winter. They lay their eggs there. When winter is over, they fly back with their young ones. Their long journey is called migration. For example, Siberian cranes fly from Siberia in Russia to China or Iran in winter. They fly back to Siberia in summer. It is believed that the migratory birds use the position of the sun and the stars to find their way. So children, we have completed the activity lesson. Lesson number 9, birds, their bodies and their nesting habits. Hope all of you understood this lesson very well. As it is an activity lesson, you need not study for your exam, but you should read the lesson regularly. Okay, we'll see you in our next class with a new topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.